In this video, you will learn about the elements of a maintenance event. Here, in the Modify Maintenance Event dialog, we will review the elements of an event. System number, ID. This serves as a unique identifier for the maintenance event. It consists of the system number of the asset, followed by a dash, and then the maintenance number. For example, it is the third event for an asset with system number 7. The system number ID is 7-3. Event state. The event state is determined by comparing the due date of the event and the current date. There are 4 possible events states: upcoming, overdue, completed, and closed. Maintenance description. A description of the maintenance event is required and provides details about the maintenance work being performed. Maintenance due date. This field is required and is the date when the maintenance event should be completed. Other maintenance fields designated by your company, apart from the mandatory fields, maintenance description, and maintenance due date. Your company can designate additional fields to track specific information about their maintenance events. It is recommended to include fields like maintenance complete date, as well as maintenance event cost and actual cost to facilitate comprehensive maintenance tracking. Notes. This field provides additional space to enter any relevant notes or special information related to the maintenance event. It can be used to track and record any specific details or instructions. Any changes, choose Modify. To close the event, select Close Event button. The information is grayed out. Select the Modify button and close the Modify Maintenance Event window. Congratulations! You have now learned about the elements of a maintenance event.